In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish articles on your WordPress website. Whether you're sharing your expertise, documenting a journey, or simply expressing your thoughts, WordPress is a powerful platform to bring your ideas to life. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your command center, where all the magic happens. You'll see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you'll need to manage your website effectively. From this menu, navigate to the Posts section. Click on Add New. This will take you to a fresh post draft, ready for you to fill with your content. Now, on to crafting your article. Start by giving your new post an engaging title. This is the headline that draws readers in, so make it catchy and direct. Below the title, you'll enter the main content area. Here's your canvas to communicate your message, sharing ideas, stories, data, or whatever your heart desires. As you type, WordPress automatically saves your progress, so no need to worry about losing any work. While creating your content, take advantage of the formatting tools available. You can find these at the top of the text editor. Insert headings to break up large chunks of text, making it easier for your audience to read. Use bullet lists or numbers to organize steps or points logically. You can also enrich your content by adding images or videos. Click on the Add Media button to upload files from your computer or choose from previously used media in your library. As you write, one essential aspect is categorization. On the right-hand side, you'll see options to add categories and tags to your post. Categories are broad topics that group similar posts together, while tags are more specific topics or keywords discussed in your article. Both help in organizing your content and improving navigation on your site, which is great for SEO. Once you're happy with your content and have applied categories and tags, it's time for a preview. Hit the preview button at the top to see how the post will look live. This step is vital as it allows you to spot any formatting errors or adjustments needed before going live. Take this chance to review for any typos or last-minute changes. When everything looks good and you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button on the right to make your article live on the web. Once published, WordPress also gives you options to share your post across social media platforms, which is excellent for reaching a broader audience. And there you have it. You've just published an article on your WordPress site, ready to be discovered by your readers. Keep practicing, keep posting, and over time, you'll build skill and confidence as a content creator. Happy writing!